Hello everyone, this is Payal Vaja. In this video, I am going to discuss types of syrup. So first one, classification of syrup. There are the three types of syrup. First one is flavored syrup, second one is medicated syrup, and third one is artificial syrup. So first of all, what is flavored syrup? Flavored syrup which contain flavoring agent. Example of flavored syrup like orange syrup according to British Pharmacopoeia, and next one is lemon syrup according to British Pharmacopoeia. Both are the example of flavored syrup. Next one is medicated syrup. In medicated syrup, medicament is added into the syrup preparation. It contains a medicament which is dissolved in it. Next one is artificial syrup. Particularly, it is used in case of diabetic patients. Artificial syrup are prepared from polyols such as sorbitol, glycerin, propylene glycol, or cellulose polymer such as methyl cellulose, HPMC, and artificial sweetener such as sodium saccharine, sodium cyclamate. So, what is artificial syrup? Artificial syrup are prepared from polyol, cellulose polymers, and artificial sweetener combination. Next one is artificial sweeteners are 500 times sweeter than sucrose, and they are non-caloric and they do not elevate the blood glucose level. So it is used in case of diabetic patients. Method of preparation. In first step, solid ingredients and liquid ingredients are mixed together and form a dosing system. After dosing system, it is converted into a production tank. And this solution or this mixture is filtered out. After filtration, that is converted into a storage tank, and finally it is filling in a machine. Syrup is prepared by three methods. First one is simple solution method, second one is by process of extraction, and third one is syrup it is made by a chemical interaction. So first one, what is simple solution method? Steps for syrup preparation. Add a sucrose and dissolve and heat it properly until sucrose is completely dissolved out, and then cool the solution and add a more purified water. That is the example of simple solution method. Sucrose 66.7 gram and purified water is 100 ml. Second one is by process of extraction. Steps of syrup preparation with the help of extraction method. First one is add a tolu balsam to purified water in dead vessel. So in first step, add the tolu balsam into the purified water. Second one is cover the vessel lightly and boil for half an hour. After boiling, cool the solution and add the sucrose and heat on the water bath until sucrose is completely dissolved out. Formula or example of syrup which is prepared by extraction method, that is tolu balsam 12.5 gram, sucrose is 66.7 gram, and water is 100 ml. Next one is there are four methods which is based on physical and chemical properties on ingredients, and choice of method is selected. Like first method is solution with heat or with the aid of heat. Second one is agitation without heat. Next one is addition of sucrose to liquid medicament, and third one is percolation method. First one is solution with heat. Syrup are prepared with this method when it is desired to prepare the syrup as quickly as possible when the syrup components are not damaged or volatile by the heat. So in this method, temperature of purified water is increased to 80 to 85 degrees centigrade, taken off from the heat source. After that, then add a sucrose and shake it thoroughly until sucrose is completely dissolved out. Those substances that are heat sensitive and volatile agents that are added after the solution which is attained at room temperature. So any heat sensitive substances or volatile agent are added after the solution which attain a room temperature. During heating, sucrose gets hydrolyzed salt in the formation of dextrose and fructose. So during heating process, sucrose it is converted into dextrose and fructose. These two sugar together it is called as a invert sugar, and is process is known as a inversion method or inversion process. The inversion which is leads to darkening of the solution. So what is the advantages of this syrup? So it is a more sweet than the simple syrup. And disadvantages of syrup is susceptible to the fermentation and microbial growth, and normally colorless, darkens because of effect of heat on levulose portion of invert sugar. Next one is agitation without heat. So in this method, to avoid heat-induced inversion of sucrose, a sugar may be prepared without heat by agitation method. In first step, vessel is taken generally which is made up of stainless steel. So first of all, taken the vessel. Take any vessel which is made up of stainless steel. In next step, the vessel should be larger than the desired volume of syrup which is required. And next step is then the ingredients according to formulation are added to the water and mixed thoroughly. So first of all, take a stainless steel vessel. After that, add all the excipients or ingredient into the water and mix thoroughly. It is better to dissolve the solid ingredients in the water first and then to add them into the syrup. This result in easy mixing and prepare as a sugar solution. Next one is addition of sucrose to liquid medicament. Occasionally, a medicated liquid such as a tincture or any fluid extract is employed as a source of medication in the preparation of syrup. So in first step, this method is generally used for fluid extract. But those substances which are soluble in alcohol will precipitate out as soon as addition of water. So, an alteration is to first dissolve all the ingredients in water. Now after some time, all the precipitate are formed out, that is filter out, and it is act as a sucrose solution or syrup preparation. Next one is percolation method. In percolation method, the principle of percolation is used. A sucrose bed is prepared and then water or vehicle containing therapeutic agent is passed here. So in first step, percolation principle is used for percolation method. Next one is sucrose bed is prepared and then add water or any vehicle which contain therapeutic agent or medicament. Next one is sucrose bed should be porous and the shape of percolator should be in a cone shape or in a cylindrical shape. Thank you.